Imagine this. What would you do if your family found itself surrounded by a hate group? A chilling thought, isn't it? It's a situation no one should ever have to face, but being prepared can make a world of difference. Here are 20 strategies to consider. First, stay calm. It's easier said than done, but keeping a level head can help you make rational decisions. Secondly, assess the situation. Determine the immediate threat level and the actions of the hate group. Thirdly, hide and seek shelter. Find a secure place that's away from the immediate threat. Fourthly, stay quiet. Minimize noise to avoid drawing attention to your location. Fifth, contact authorities. Report the situation, provide your location and any relevant details. Sixth, provide information. Discreetly share details about the hate group's location and actions with authorities. Seventh, stay together. Sticking together enhances safety and provides emotional support. Share this information, it could help in a hostile situation. Eighth, avoid confrontation. Engaging with the hate group could escalate the situation. Ninth, stay informed. Keep updated on the situation through reliable news sources or official communications. 10th, document events. If safe, take photos or make notes. This could be valuable later. 11th, follow authorities' instructions. Comply with guidance from law enforcement or emergency responders. 12th, create a barricade. Use available objects to reinforce doors and windows. 13th, use protective measures. If available, use any protective equipment you may have. 14th, keep communication silent. Communicate silently with your family to avoid being heard by the hate group. 15th, have emergency contacts. Keep a list of contacts and stay in touch with loved ones when possible. 16th, be prepared for medical emergencies. Have medical supplies on hand and be ready to provide basic first aid. 17th, stay low-key. Keep a low profile to avoid attracting attention. 18th, turn off lights and electronics. Minimize visibility and reduce the chance of being detected. 19th, support each other. Emotional support is crucial in such situations. And finally, 20th, evacuate if possible. If a safe opportunity arises, consider moving to a safer location. In summary, these 20 points highlight the importance of staying calm, assessing the situation, contacting authorities, avoiding confrontation, documenting events, following authorities' instructions, supporting each other, and evacuating if possible. Remember, your safety and the safety of your family is paramount. Subscribe for more helpful information for real-life situations. It helps us grow. We publish daily. Always follow the guidance of law enforcement and report any information you have to assist in their response.